In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Make and GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have the Make app installed from the GoHighLevel marketplace and connected to the exact sub-account you choose. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with access to your agency and the sub-account where you want the app available. Interfaces change over time, so your screen might look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Start inside the sub-account you want to enhance. Open that sub-account first so you're certain you're working in the right place. A quick tip: check the label at the top of the dashboard to confirm you're in the intended sub-account. This helps prevent installing to the wrong location. Next, switch to Agency View. This matters because the app marketplace is accessed from the agency level, not from within an individual sub-account. Look for the option to switch views. If you're already in Agency View, you're good to go and can continue. Open the app marketplace from the main navigation. This is where all approved apps and integrations live. It's the central catalog for extending GoHighLevel without custom code. Once you're there, find the Make app. You can scroll the catalog or use the search bar to locate it faster. You may see it listed simply as Make, sometimes noted as the automation platform formerly known as Integromat. Open the listing to review what it does and the permissions it needs. Click Install on the app listing. You'll see a prompt to choose where the app should be installed. Select the sub-account you want by checking it in the list. Take a moment to confirm the correct sub-account is selected. This ensures the tools and actions from Make appear exactly where your team will use them. Click Continue to proceed. You'll then be asked to grant permissions so Make can interact with your GoHighLevel data as needed for automations. Review the summary, and when you're ready, click Allow and Install. If your account uses two-factor authentication, approve that request as prompted. You'll see a brief loading sequence while the app is added. When the install finishes, the Make app will appear for the sub-account you selected. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or switch to and from the sub-account once to update the view. Still not showing? Double-check you're in the right sub-account and that you completed the Allow and Install step. That's it. Make is now installed in your GoHighLevel environment. Thanks for following along, and enjoy building powerful automations with your newly added app.